Back to another video. So today is another large batch video. I think I've made like 3 or 4 large batch videos. Anyways, today we're making red velvet cupcakes, so let's go. In here I will be weighing out all my dry ingredients. I will leave the full recipe in my description box, so be sure to check it out. So if you found any of my large batch videos useful or any of my videos useful, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So back to the video. This recipe is very simple and it's easy to make. It's not really a very big batch, but you can use this recipe to make larger batches of cupcakes. All you have to do is just double the recipe. So I weighed out flour, baking powder, baking soda, and at this point I was supposed to add sugar, but I forgot. So I later remembered and I added the sugar. Just make sure that when you are adding your dry ingredient, you don't forget your sugar like I did. So after that, I am weighing out now my wet ingredient. I've added my milk, eggs, and vegetable oil. I added actually buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, just add white vinegar in your milk and let it sit for like 5 minutes. So I've weighed out all my ingredients and I went ahead and added my wet ingredient into my dry ingredient, and I am now mixing it while adding my wet ingredient, and I'll continue to mix it until everything is fully incorporated. As you can see, everything is mixed very well. I will now add my red coloring powder in small amount of vegetable oil. I am doing this because the powder is more soluble in oil than water. So I've mixed everything. I will now add it to my cake batter. So guys, it was at this point that I remembered I didn't even add sugar to my cake. So I went and ahead and add sugar into it, and I am now mixing it very well. So my batter is ready. At this point you can go ahead and add your flavor. I think I missed the clip because I couldn't find it anywhere. Anyways, just add your flavor, either strawberry flavor or vanilla flavor. Sometimes I even add butterscotch to it when I'm out of those 2 flavors I mentioned earlier. Then go ahead and line your tin with tin liners and pour in your batter. So now that I'm done, I will go ahead and bake my cake. And ta-da! Our cupcakes are ready. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!